Welcome to Werrie Beach. It's 1 hour 50 minutes, 132 kilometers south of Sydney. Werrie Beach is a town in the Illawarra south of Kiama, New South Wales, Australia. Werrie Beach is about 1.9 kilometers long and has consistent surf breaks at both the northern and southern ends. Werrie Beach is patrolled by volunteer surf lifesavers on weekends and public holidays between October and April. A whale-watching platform located above the cliff on the Gerringong headlands. This is the ideal place to see the whales migrating north from late May. Gerringong General Cemetery occupies a steeply sloping site on a headland overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The monumental portion contains inscriptions dating back from the 1860s and include a large number of substantial monuments with beautiful carvings. Welcome to the Boat Harbour Boat Ramp. This boat ramp, also known as Gerringong Boat Ramp, provides access into the Pacific Ocean. It is unsuitable for use during rough swells. Fish cleaning facilities are available. Steps cut into the ramp for access from the shore and ample parking. Toilets, barbecue, and picnic facilities are available at Cook Park, and Boat Harbour Rock Pool is a short stroll away. There is a memorial crafted out of two anchors which reads, "These anchors were raised from this harbor in 1971 by the Rotary Club of Werrie. The larger was attached to the mooring chain laid in 1863. Excerpts from Wikipedia, Rotary Club of Gerringong.